All right, we're back. We're going to factor out a GCF, the greatest common factor, and then factor what's left over, okay? Now look at this thing. Old school. That's a real wooden club. Anyhow, set that baby down. So we look at this, and whenever you factor, you always want to see if you can pull out a number and or a letter. It just makes life a lot easier, okay? So I'm looking at this, and I see that they don't have the same letter, because this 24 doesn't have a letter, so I can't pull out a letter. But they're all even numbers, so I know 2 goes into each of these. Ooh, 3 goes in, but actually 6 goes in. So let's pull out the 6. You always want to pull out the greatest common factor. 6, and then we're left with what? X squared plus 3x minus 4. Let's double check. 6x squared plus 18x. We got it. Okay, you have to bring the 6 down. Some kids don't do that. 6 is a factor of this, so it's part of the answer. We're going to factor what's left over. Okay, what are my signs? What sign times what sign gives you a minus? A plus and a minus. Now, some kids might say, oh, I get it, finally. You just bring the signs down. No. Okay, half the time it will work, half the time it won't. So, now we got to find, okay, it's x and x. I love when it's just x squared. Factors of 4, 1 and 4, 2 and 2. Yeah, I know 2 and 2 are closest, but they'll never get me there. I can see it. Let's use our brain. Where does the 4 have to go if I want a positive 3? You got it. You'll get the hang of this. 4x minus 1x is 3x. We're done. Let's look at here. Okay, ooh, they all have an x. So I can pull out an x, and 2 goes into everything. So I could pull out a 2x. And what am I left with? X squared minus 2x minus 8. Let's double check. 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 16x. Okay, bring this down. Now what do we do? We got to factor this thing. X and x. What are my signs? Plus times a minus gives me a minus. Factors of 8, 1 and 8, 2 and 4. Yeah, I can see it. I'm going to use 2 and 4. I'm going to put the 2 there and the 4 there because I've done a million of these things. 2x. Take away 4x gets me to that term right there. We are done. Over here, ooh, I'm kind of thinking difference of squares. I'm getting a little excited, but let's just hold off. The bell? No, I can't. I'm not stopping. I'm keep going. Okay, I can pull out a 3 from both of these, and I'm left with this. Oh yeah, baby. That's a difference of squares. You bring the 3 down as fast as you can write. X plus 4. X minus 4, we're done.